Okay, so this video is how to do a traffic light. I'm gonna do one here, not on my paper first, but it's gonna look something like this. Here's one from another drawing. It's gonna depend on where your vanishing points are and what side of the street that you're putting it on, how it looks. So this one is you're looking up at them. This one is you're looking down on them. That one's looking down on them on the right side. So first thing you have to look at is what is it made out of, okay? Anything can be a box. So this is a tall, skinny box, okay? And then a long, thin box coming out from it, and then two boxes hanging down. So if you wanna go to your practice page and try it first there, you can. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get my vanishing points, okay? Then I'm gonna start with a vertical line. Okay, and I want it to be tall, so I'm gonna make a long line. And then just like every other box, I'm gonna draw lines to my vanishing point. I'm just going to make them very small. I'm not gonna go all the way. I'm just making them small. Top and bottom to the left. Top and bottom to the right. All right, then what's your next step? You have to do your sides. So go back to your beginning, that vertical line, slide it over. And again, I want to make this kind of skinny, so I'm not going to go far. And then slide it to the right. And then now I'm missing my top. I'll just erase some of that extra. So my top, just like all your other tops of your boxes, you've got one line that goes that way and one line that goes the other way, and they're going to crisscross. Oops. I was trying to do that at an angle so you guys could see, but it didn't work. Okay. So going right there. And going right there. Okay, so now there's the top. All it is a tall, skinny box, right? So these boxes are kind of big and fat, right? This guy's tall and skinny. Now, depending on where my street is, like when I did this one, so your points are up here. If your street corner is here, then anything to the right, you're gonna use that point to draw this thing coming out. And if it's over to the left, we're gonna use that point, okay? And this is for when the points are in the middle. So I'm gonna use this point over here. First thing I'm gonna do is come down from the top just a little bit. And I'm gonna draw a line out. So my street would be right here, okay? Now I know that some of this is gonna get covered up, so I'm gonna go ahead and erase it to get it out of my way. So that line that I just drew is this line right here, okay? Normally we start with the vertical line to start a box, right? But I don't know where to put that vertical line yet, so I just need a guideline to come out from the point, and that's my vertical line that starts my box. So here's my line coming out from the point. Just gonna small little line right there. Now, just like this box, top and bottom to that point, top and bottom to this point. Only this side, I'm not gonna go very far. This side, I'm gonna go all the way to where that other one stops, okay? This is now the side of my box. And then I need this side. I think I made that a little too long, so when I do my little side piece here, I'm gonna bring it in just a little bit. Sorry, Coach Page's table is kind of squeaky. Okay, and then I've already got this back line back here. So now I'm missing the top, just like I did right here, right? You've got these two going to those points. Now you need those back lines. So I've got that one going to the point, that one. I just need this one. And then I need that one. And it should land right on that corner, okay? So there is the post. Now we just need to do the actual lights hanging down. So all the lights are boxes hanging down. So you're kind of just like doing them in space, and then I do like a little cable coming down to it. So if I had a street here, I would kind of see, you know, where my lines are and deduct from there, but I'm really just gonna drop down a little bit and just put this guy in the middle of the space. Maybe about that big. Then top and bottom to the point on the left, top and bottom to the point on the right. Do my sidelines. And then clean that up just a little bit. And then do my top. And then do my other line, okay? Now I want these to line up, okay, and be the same size. So I don't know really where to put my other one yet until I kind of give myself a little guideline right here. In the bottom. So I'm just gonna bring that line down right there. Okay, now there's my vertical line. So what do? I draw lines to the left, right? That back side, oops, sorry. I've already got these lines going to the right because I just lined them up on those guidelines. I'm just darkening them. And then here's one of the lines for my top. Oops, I need this one. And I'm gonna look over at that one and try and make this about the same size, maybe like right there. And then one more line from the top. And then erase the extra. Guys, I have several of these eraser shields up at my desk if you want to borrow them for class. They help with erasing. So your drawing looks really neat. All right, now I just kind of like, I don't know, sketch in like a little cable thing coming down. Okay, and there's your traffic light. So if you want to practice on a piece of paper without your city around, you can do that. Let me show you on. I like to do these on your drawing before you've done all your windows, because if you go to put this on after you've gotten all your windows and stuff done, then you have to erase part of them. It's easier to draw around this. So once you're done with your street lines and your sidewalk, then go ahead and try your traffic light then before we start doing. The windows will be the last thing that we do. Okay, good luck.